Hey guys, Josh, Bryan Haggard Land Group. Hope everybody's doing well. Wanted to go ahead and get back to you guys with some latest stats from MLS last week for sites that really have kind of come on the market, kind of come off the market, come back on the market, those that have closed, price increases, decreases, and things like that. For really sites in our fairway is really 60 miles outside of Plano, Texas, for sites that are 5+ acres. So what we've seen kind of in the past week is the market kind of picked back up a little bit. So what I mean by that is we actually got several offers in last week for multiple types of uses, buyers on certain tracts. Those really didn't revolve too much around single family or home builders. Those are still kind of sitting on the sidelines a little bit, waiting to kind of see what the new normal looks like I always say. But we did get several offers from multifamily developers and industrial developers. So they're still pushing forward in particular submarkets with really high growth and really good market fundamentals. So the market hasn't really slowed down as far as that's concerned. People are still looking at construction pricing and what that and the supply chain issues and things of that nature. But we're still seeing a healthy amount of offers coming in, but maybe just not from the single family builder side. We still have several offers from master plan developers that we are looking at, along with multifamily, single family rental, big product, and industrial right now. There were actually 75 new listings. Average sales price or list price on those is $1.374 million. So that's actually kind of keeping on par with what we've seen over the last couple weeks. There's been 11 new listings that have kind of come back on the market. Either they fell out of contract, got withdrawn, expired, came back on. The average list price on those is $1.855 million. There's been 51 price decreases, but get this. Okay, so with the price decreases, we're still seeing the list prices pretty high. Those are around $1.6 million. So, obviously people had anticipated the market to escalate a lot quicker than it was. Now interest rates are above 6%. So we're starting to kind of see that leveling out, but prices are still really high as far as list prices are concerned. So we've had 20 price increases, okay? So there's a couple outliers within this group of 20 because the average sales price on these, or the average list price, is roughly $3.5 million. That's almost double of what we've seen in the past. So there's a couple larger listings in there that kind of skewed the numbers a little bit, but there have been 20 price increases compared to 51 price decreases. So there's obviously kind of a trend happening here, right? So last week there were 45 closings. So the average sales price for those was pretty low actually. It was $441,000. There were a lot of smaller transactions that occurred last week, compared to the prior week where we were above $1 million. So just kind of keeping our eye on the closings. As I always note, closings are a reflection of the past, right? So these prices that are closing now were prices that were set maybe 2 or 3 months ago. What we're really starting to see is when interest rates started going up back in May, we're starting to see those closings occur. So we're kind of seeing what the market had done several months ago as far as pricing and everything else. So kind of that lagging indicator that I always talk about, but we're still seeing on a week-to-week basis, as opposed to this week, we're still seeing kind of those price increases. So it'll be interesting to kind of take a look at what the whole month together on average looks like compared to, say, March of this year, April of this year, and then May, right? So, but if you have any questions, my name is Josh Bryan with Bryan Haggard Land Group. Again, we specialize in land sales and site acquisition throughout DFW. Please give us a call if you ever need anything. Be good, guys.